Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you remove lint from your winter clothing. So if you notice sometimes on your sweaters or your hats, your scarves, you will notice you have these little bits of fibers, I suppose. Yeah, so they're called lint. So you want to take those off. You don't want to wear your nice cute sweater or sweat jumper and you find that it's covered with bits of lint. So if you see on this hat, it's visibly there, and also on this jumper it's also there. So I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of it. I know this jumper and the thing, I know it's not as visible on the hat and on the jumper, but I'm going to show you how to take it off on something like this, like a cushion. Stick around to see how I'll transform this cushion to be completely lint free. So yeah, I'm going to begin with this hat. So what I use is this lint remover. I'm sure I purchased this a few years back. I'm not sure where I purchased it from. I can't really remember, but I think if you look online, you might be able to actually find places that might sell them if you check on eBay or on Amazon. But I'm sure I purchased this from a store, but it's called a lint remover. So basically it's battery powered. Like that. Just put it in there, and then it's very simple to use. You just flip like this and it makes a sound, and then you just do this. And if you want to see the bits of lint that has come off, you look in this little pot like this. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's not, I've not collected a lot, but that's the place where you can tell how much you've taken off. So I'm just going to continue again. Okay, so the hat itself is complete and it's done. It wasn't that bad. So what I'm going to do now is tackle the sweater or the jumper, depending which part of the world you're in. I call this a jumper. The affected areas for me, it's normally the arm area, like here. So again, here. So I'm going to I genuinely thought I would have a little bit more lint on the jumpers, but I guess it's just the two things that I've picked out. So let's see what this looks like. I'm sure you can see this has got quite a bit of lint on it. So let's have a see how this lint remover is going to work. Let's just do a little test in this area on its own and see how much lint of this lint can come off. So I'm just going to twirl it. In that short amount of time, we've managed to remove all the lint that was in this area. I feel like it does tug on the fabric a little bit, but I mean, yeah. Anyway, let's see how the rest of it will look like. Okay, so that's what the cushion looks like now. It really take that long to actually get it all off. It is a little bit noisy. This is the amount of lint that's come off. I'm sure if you can see. Let's have a take. So you can just empty it by pulling it out. Sorry. So this is the amount of lint that has come off from the cushion and from the jumper and the hat. So yeah, it's really effective. This amount really did come off. Look at that. So yeah, so it's easy to use, very easy, simple, a little bit noisy, but I feel like it's very effective for a little small thing like this. If you are also looking forward to the winter season, don't forget to remove all the lint on all your clothes, on all your woolen clothes and your jumpers. But yeah, this is the thing that I use. It works really well, it's fast and it's effective. I do find it does tug a little bit just on the fabric, but it's not so bad. I can just cut that off with the scissors. But yeah, I think like maybe 1 or 2 areas that it did tug on the fabric, but compared to what the cushion looked like, I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.